Okay, we create another cost center. One zero zero six 01 master data. Oh, LAP9 नहीं. OPKS maps. KS01. Hmm. Allocation cost center, because we will use this cost center for allocation to other um, cost centers. Warning, just enter and it will go. Cost center has been created. Okay. FS 00. Four hundred, 390. Copy. 400, 392. Electricity charges. Electricity charges. Create bank interest. Cost centers required. Control data. SAR. Posting date. Cost element category 1. Save. And it's made. Next step is KK01 EU. Okay. Electrical units. And this will be kilowatt hours. Total value. It cannot be fixed. It can be only total, because fixed value is for charges based on fixed numbers, like employees, fixed number of meters, or fixed number of um
Employees, fixed number of employees.
fixed number of employees, or fixed number of, for example,
Mostly,
mostly, for example, if you have a place and you have rented it out to like small stalls in an event, that can be fixed value. Number of stalls, 15 stalls, it will incur some kind of cost, fixed cost. So it is fixed value. But here it is total value. Electrical units will be incurred in different variations. Okay. Okay. Save. Now, next step is KSW1 cycle. WAP 30111 cycle. Okay. Primary cost reposting. Iterative, not cumulative. Iterative. Iterative means it will keep on assigning to uh, cost centers. Okay. Attach segment. Electricity bills reposting. Okay. Posted amounts 100%, actual values, variable portions for receiver, and it will be based on actual statistical key figure, which is EU. Okay, sender receiver. 1006 cost element will be 40392, which is electricity charges. Cost centers will be prod, which is production. Uh, Tracing factor. Okay. Tracing factor will be from EU. Actual statistical key, no scaling, no negative scaling. Attach segment rent reposting. Posted amounts 100%, fixed percentages. Okay. Sender receiver 1006 and 400 600. This will be prod. Receiving tracing factor 101, 02, 201, 50, 20, and 30. Okay. Save without check. Okay, it has been saved. Okay. And one thing that is missing. Mhm. Overview of segments, reposting, rent reposting, scaling lot. Okay. Receiving tracing factor 100, 100, 100. Okay. Okay. Now, FB01L01, 40392, 45,000, and 1006. Electricity 0845,000, 40, and 400, 600. Direct posting. Okay. KS02. Enter.
Hello, Moto.
27,1006 and 08 7,000 50 20691 plus electricity. Okay, this has been posted. Gank maps, change groups. Um, Give actual periodic reposting, assign element to group and save. Okay. KSW5 period 8 to 8, cycle WAP 301 11 2023. Primary cost reposting. Okay. Execute. Segment electricity. Okay, I doubt it. Okay, K02. K02. No. KB31N. This is okay. This is okay. But what we actually forgot was this. Zero, one, 01 EU 08 reposting. 1001 2001 uh 3000. Statistical key figure is EU 750 250 2000. Okay. Post 905. Okay, 905. You go into details. Poster 905. Okay, it didn't show the transaction, which is RKIB, which we entered. Okay. Now let's go back and retry this. Execute. It is in test run WAP3. It has EU SKF, and it's not showing any other warning because we entered KB31N without errors. Okay. So you created segments cycle. We are running that cycle. We created statistical key figure, which is electricity charges, and this is how it will be distributed. So 00 means nothing remains in the sender. Okay, everything will be passed on to 101 2001 102. Okay, for 392, which is electricity rent, it will be passed on for period this. Okay, so we go back and execute, and it has been posted. Document number 906. Simulation document 906, display document, profit center document, controlling document. This is how it will be. We can also change the layout. Secondary cost, primary cost. This is primary cost. Why primary? Why primary? Because it is coming from FI, from GL to controlling. So why are we doing this activity over the past 3 sessions? Because there are 3 things. Let me explain. There are 3 things. 3 main elements or concepts or activities. First, primary cost reposting, which can happen through distribution and primary cost reposting. Okay, reposting. Second is COPA, which is controlling profitability analysis. Now, what is profitability analysis? This is integration between FI, CO, SD. There is a deep relationship with SD where we will see value characteristic values and value segments, value figures of value segments. Now, characteristics when value segments, what are these? In simple terms, these are, for example, sales, cost of sales. Cost of sales will have freight, commission, shipping, delivery, insurance, and so on. Yeah. Third is product costing. In product costing, we actually create production versions, product cost collectors, which can be a production order, sales order, or a repetitive cost. Okay. So in short, this is all about FICO. That's it. Main three areas. Right now we are covering this one. Then we'll start COPA. COPA is a bit complex, not that complex, but a bit complex. So you have to take very care and attention to this part. Okay. And this part as well, product costing. Okay. So we are actually collecting cost which will be absorbed into the material later on. Okay. Now, let's ASB 106 and single values of cost element 400, 600, 400, 392. Adopt. If you see, this is empty, this is filled, and it is actually has changed. It is active. Okay. 1011, execute. And okay. So everything is reposted. Okay. We have no balance in the cost collector, which means that we are going in the right direction. Okay. Simple. Not so simple, but you have to actually follow the steps. Okay. Okay. That's it for today, because I am actually sharing the concept one by one. And next will be indirect activity allocation, which is important, which is a bit tricky, but important.